today I am attempting to do an updo. I'm gonna French braid the front, or cornrows in the front, and put it up into a bun with this Eve hair by Kanekalon. So that is the goal. I've already started braiding, as you can see. Let me say that I am not a professional hairstylist. I am not a professional cosmetologist, but I do know how to maintain and keep my hair looking somewhat decent when I don't have my real hairstylist, my mom, and my little cousin J.Baby doing my hair. So until I get them in my life, over the holidays, I'm sure they'll whip it up, but until I get there, I'm gonna do it myself. So far this is what I got, and I'm gonna keep working. All right, stay tuned. Also using some edge control just for the front and to keep the braids a little bit tighter. Hopefully it doesn't flake up like that. And I kind of braid awkward. So let's see. Crying out to you, Lord. Trying to get through. I'm trying to get through to you, Lord. Gotta be some way, somehow, to show your love right now. Need to hear from you, oh Lord. Yes, Lord. Alright, so I went ahead and finished braiding the front portion of my hair. I put down my edges and back, and I just put it up into a bun. So I don't know how this is gonna look, so let's see. Boom! Alright, so we have it up. And I might need to brush a little bit more back here, but all I used was ProStyle Gel and this edge control brand. I don't even know how to say it, but there we go. And I tied it down. Okay, so there's the braids, all that. So now what I'm gonna do is just take this hair and put it into a bun. Now this is a quick, easy style for people that really don't, you don't know how to do hair, or, you just need to whip your hair up real quick, go out, have a good day. All right, so I'll be back to show you what I did. Well, I guess I can just say it. Crying out to you, Lord, trying to get through to you. Hear me, tell me, do you hear me? Praying, reading, feel me with all of you, Lord. Yeah, trying to talk to you daily, even when my heart is breaking, watching the things around me. Alright, so what I did was I braided, I think I recorded that, but I braided the braiding hair into one big braid and wrapped it around into a bun and just pinned it in how I wanted it. Make it into a little cute bun. And what I'm doing now is taking these little guys and just accenting my braids. I want them accented. I don't want too many. But just to make it a little, give some hair jewelry. Tie down my edges and back, and I think I'm going to do it again just to get it more concrete back here, or not concrete, but just a little bit firmer. I had flat ironed my hair before I did this style. Flat ironed it at the beginning of the week, and I didn't want to keep putting heat on it, So I just was like, hey, let me just do a quick little updo, and this should last me about a week. So that's how I did my hair. Little easy style. Alright, bye. Thanks for watching.
Now they're crying out to you, Lord, please. 'Cause that's the only way to maintain good.